up, everybody? All right, we're going camping. Got about a 2 hour, 40-minute drive as of right now. You know, I left a meeting in Lakeland. I am from, you know, further into Tampa, and so a little more than 3 hours, but as of right now, 3 hours. So 3 hours going to Osceola State Park. The sweet outdoors. My brother Daryl is going to meet me there. If you are not following his channel, what are you doing? But we are on this long stretch of road out in the sticks, and we're not even in the real sticks yet because we're right now driving in Polk County, and we're going up to close to Gainesville. So if you don't know where Osceola, however you pronounce it, State Park is, that's where we're going. So stay tuned. I will probably bring you back when we get to the park. I want to make sure I get there before it's dark so I can set up my tent. I'm going to get there with about 15 minutes left of sunlight. Set up my tent, get situated and all that jazz. So stay tuned, y'all. It's going to be a really fun weekend. We're there the whole weekend. I go back on Sunday. Today is Thursday. I'm pumped up. Stay tuned. All right, we made it. Well, I made it. This is where we're gonna stay for tonight. We may move spots tomorrow. There's a little bit more people here than I expected to be here on a Thursday, and so we are going to camp here for the night. My brother gets here. He's gonna get here late. It's gonna be like 10:30, 11 o'clock, maybe midnight. And so I'm losing daylight, so I'm gonna put up the tent. Probably won't film it because I don't want to mess with the camera right now. I just want to get the tent up, and may just bring you back in the morning when we pack all this up and move to a new spot. So we'll be here for the whole weekend. So stay tuned. There's more coming. I forgot I had these lights. Oh, I'll sit up. I still got the fire going. See it out there, the screen. It just keeps raining. Not like super hard, but like off and on. And so, trying to get to where it's not so bright. That should be okay. I've got like get a little pimpy. So I'm waiting for my brother to get here. It's like 9:30. He should get here around 10:30, 10:45, assuming there's no traffic and stuff like that. And so it's starting, the temperature is starting to drop. You can see the screen is getting foggy. Oh boy. Oh boy. Screen's getting foggy. It's gonna be a cold night. Cold night, and I can't wait. I got my blankie. I actually have 2 blankets and a sleeping bag. I have 3 blankets. I'm laying on one, the sleeping bag, and then I have 2 others to cover up with. And I also have my I got sweaters and jackets and stuff like that. So I am more than prepped and ready. As long as I can keep the keep the fire going, at least until he gets here, so I can make sure he makes it. So, and make sure he knows where I'm at. Well, I didn't think I was going to turn the camera back on, but I forgot I had these lights, and so it's going well so far. I'm enjoying it. It's really, really peaceful out here, even though there's a couple people here, and I can hear the ATVs and side-by-sides driving around, but I'm having a good time. As always, I love being outside. You guys got to go do this. I probably shouldn't talk too loud because people are trying to sleep. Okay, it's 7 a.m. We're waiting for people to wake up. We want to split this. I'm going to try using this. It's basically like a coffee type strainer. And it is cold out here. And it's supposed to rain later. Isn't that correct? Yes. It's coffee time. It's gonna rain at 1 o'clock. So we'll see what happens for today. A little bit. All right, for all my country folks, if you've ever been mudding or not, look at this place. I have never been mudding before. I don't know if it's in my wheelhouse of things I want to do, but something about this does look cool though. This water is actually a star if you think about it. Y'all remember my first episode out here in Osceola where I drank this water? I drank it. You can go back and watch that video. It's actually 2 videos. There's the camping video at Osceola State Park, and then the other one I did was the Logest or the largest purification straw. I used that straw to drink this water. So go check that out. Link below. Yeah, and you see I'm still here making another video. What is it, a year later almost? And so it works, y'all. Getting us some wood chunks here, y'all. I wonder if I can do it like that.
Oh yeah, that thing will be no problem. What if mine will?
Oh yeah, that one? Heck yeah.
See the way mine's curved.
You gotta hit the heck yeah, dude. See, that's what happened. There we go. See, now I want to be like those dudes in the movies. I just want to set up some wood and chop it all day. Maybe it'll help my beard grow in even. The thing about having an outdoor channel, doing primarily outdoor videos, is when it rains, you don't have much of a video. And so it's not raining right now. We've got a break in it. And so I just wanted to walk back down by the river. There's the bridge right there. That's the main road. If you've made it this far, I just want to tell you guys how awesome you are. Thank you for watching the video. Thank you for watching the channel. If you're subscribed, thank you for that. If you're new here, I'm glad that you're here. Hopefully you'll stay. And I know to most people, I mean, I don't know where a lot of people are from that are gonna watch this video, may not think that this is a pretty place. And then of course the gloomy weather doesn't help, but man, I love stuff like this. I love being outside. If you've been watching this channel, you know that. If you're new to this channel, you'll learn that if you subscribe and stay. Hope you will. And it cost me, so from my house, it took about 3.5 hours to get here. That may seem far for some. I know when I first started YouTube, to drive 3.5 hours away to film a video or to just kind of get out of the house and then, you know, away from the area that I live in, that was a huge undertaking. That was a big task. I had to think about gas and all that other stuff. And I still think about those things. But now I'm more willing to do it because once I get to wherever it is I'm going, it does 2 things for me. One, it's an accomplishment. I feel like I've accomplished something, and that's important to me. It makes me want to accomplish something else, and it lets me know that I could set out to do something, and actually I do have the means to get it done. What it also does is show that I could do more. Right? And so if there's ever a point in time that I want to do this full time and you know, make a living doing YouTube, then I've got to get up and I've got to go. I've got to go to places I've never been. I have to ignore the fact that it's a 3.5 hour drive. If I can make it happen, even if it's a little tough to do it. If you know me, I hate long car rides. I don't like road trips. If I want to do YouTube for a living and it's going to be an outdoor channel, I can't be in the same place every single time, every single video. And so I've got to show you guys something different. I got to bring you guys something new. And I think that you would probably appreciate that if you're not seeing the same thing over and over and over again. And so sometimes you'll see me fishing. Sometimes you'll see me kayaking. Sometimes you'll just see me riding around in the John boat. Sometimes you'll see me hiking. If you guys need an escape, you don't always have to get it through watching these videos. The whole idea is to inspire you guys to get out of your house and go on your own adventures. You go on an adventure, because I promise you, once you do it, it's going to become addictive. You're going to want to see another cool place and another beautiful place. do another awesome hike, maybe do a more challenging hike. You know, you're always gonna want the next adventure and the next adventure. And for me, that's exactly what life is all about. It's always about the next adventure. And so I have to keep doing these videos. I don't feel complete and I don't feel fulfilled if I'm not doing it. And so I'm hoping that you guys will start your own journeys and go on your own adventures. And if you want to keep watching mine, that would be super fantastic. I'll never stop you. But if I had to choose one or the other, it would be to get you to a point where I've inspired you enough to get outside and see the world, because life can be short, but it can also be long, and it can also be awesome. And so I hope you guys will get outside. We're gonna do some campfire gumbo, maybe drink a little bit of whiskey, which is another one of my favorite things of all time, is really good tasting whiskey. You'll see that being introduced to the channel more often, things that I enjoy. So gumbo, whiskey, some cool weather. It's going to be a good relaxing night. Tomorrow hopefully we get a little bit of sun, or if nothing else, at least no rain. X marks the spot. Here's one thing I thought I would show you. That thing is super tall, that tower right there. So this is the East Tower, is what this is called. This is where we're at in Osceola. And this is the East Tower. It's got a bunch of stairs, but you can't climb it. They've got the bottom of it fenced off, I'm sure for one reason or the other. Here you can put your garbage and stuff away. But I just kind of wanted to walk over this tower to get a sense of the height now that I'm going to be right next to it. This baby's tall. All right, y'all. You know, I like to keep my videos positive, but I do want to make a note. This, not okay. Nope, 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 nope. Places like this is a state park, okay? Places like this are not for garbage, man. They're not for garbage. You see how beautiful this place is. And you got people leaving their trash. You know, people hunt here during hunting season. People camp here during the summer. Like, we're camping here right now, trying to spend some family time together. And we got people leaving their trash here. We have to leave these places better than we found them. Do you want me to come to your house and just drop all my trash in your living room? Probably not. And so don't do that, man. Like, we all want to come out here. We all want to enjoy these places. We want to keep the beauty of these places. That way, when you want to come outside and get away from the hustle and bustle and the garbage that is, you know, the adult life. We want to be able to come out here and enjoy it, and it's a little difficult to do that when there's a bunch of garbage everywhere. Take your garbage to the garbage, and that is not this place. There you go. That's my announcement. So for those of you that are taking care of this place, taking care of the pretty places that you go to, thank you. You guys are awesome. For those of you that are leaving your trash here, you are trash. Okay, good morning. It's the next day. Clearly, I did not film us eating. It was freezing last night. It's even colder today, and it's supposed to get even colder tonight. So we're gonna go get more firewood, but I decided I'd show you guys this lake here. It's super cool. The trees in the background, that is awesome. Can you imagine having a house there? And all this is the backyard. That would be super cool. Apparently this area that I'm in right now is a stargazing center. That's not gonna happen today. But on a clear night, I can imagine how cool it would be to be in this little area right here. But I'm getting back in the car because I'm freezing my butt off. It's just below 40 degrees. It's too cold for this guy. We came back to camp. It's freaking cold. It's below 40 degrees tonight. It's supposed to drop to 29 degrees below freezing. So it's gonna be a rough night. We're gonna drive around a little bit to get the heater from the truck and just see if we can spark any other inspiration for the video. It's been super cold, it's been super rainy, so we haven't been able to do that much. But if you've been hanging out with me thus far, you guys are the OG, and I really appreciate you. I get this video is not top-notch exciting, but I tell you what, I'm learning what to come out the colder weather with. And so we're gonna ride around the state park here in Osceola and see if I can show you some cool stuff. Stay tuned. All right, so we pulled off to look at another camping, like another place that you can camp. There's a lot of places in here you can literally just pull off on the side. And so we did. And I started wandering a bit, as I do, and I found this really cool place. Off of the road. Couldn't drive back here. But how cool it is. Next to the water. I wouldn't set up camp here because there's just roots all over the ground and stuff, but look how fast this water is ripping through here. Camera doesn't do it justice. What's up, everybody? I just wanted to come back to this lake now that the sun is trying to come out. We've got a little bit better weather here on the last day. Just want to say that I'm happy that you guys are here with me watching these videos. It really makes me happy to know that I'm doing something that people care about, and my videos from California are blowing up. I'm getting a lot of subscribers, so thank you guys for appreciating what I'm doing. It takes a lot of work to come out and film videos. A lot of people underestimate that it's an actual job to come out and do this. The amount of time it takes to put together a 20-minute video. For example, I'm here for 3 days. This may be under 20-minute videos, and the amount it took to put this together for you guys. And I enjoy doing it, but it is work, and so it's happy to know that, you know, you guys are appreciating it and that it's paying off. Guys, it doesn't cost much to get out and do stuff like this. Like, this cost me a tank of gas to come out here. 1 tank of gas. And that's usually the budget I'll give myself, is a tank of gas. Now that's to and from, and then whatever things I have to get, right? And so like firewood, for example, and then like getting little snacks like chips, getting water and things like that. And so I would say for less than $100, I was able to come out and do something like this. And I got to spend quality time with my brother, and you cannot get those times back. You know, you have to spend time with your family. You have to keep yourself surrounded by the people that you love, who build you up. And I had a really good time hanging out with him and putting this video together for you guys. And so this is the last day at Osceola. I just want to say I love you guys for watching. I love you for subscribing. I love you for giving the thumbs up. Thank you for engaging. The comments have been insane. So thank you guys a lot. And until the next video, get outside, live your truth. Peace.